So you can use the same technique that I have illustrated in the last video to set or get the value of any private variables. So for example, let's say there is a private variable right after this var in here. So let's say this variable is another, like let's say this is private, and this variable is basically of type string, and let's say the name of the variable is str. uh, just a name. So this is a private variable of type string and the name of the variable is str. So what do you need to do? You have to write another getter function, maybe after this get var, or anywhere in the class. So what you can write is, let's say, so this will be another like public, like this, and the get function, as I have told, according to the convention, it should be like get followed by this variable name, which is get str. And since get str getter function does not have any parameter, it should be like this. And well, in between this public, I just forgot to do that, so it should be like public followed by string. Why string? The string is the return type of this get str function, because this private variable is of type string, and inside this getter function you have to return this the value of this string variable. And since you are returning a string type variable inside this function, so the return type will be string. uh, and the similar way, you have to add a setter function here or anywhere in the class. So it should be, let's say, for this str variable, so it should look something like this. Let's say this is public, then string, and after that it should be set, sorry, it should not be string. So since it is a setter function, it should be void, because I just want to set the value, assign something inside here. So it should be set str, because the name of the variable is str. And then here actually I have to pass the value that I want to set. So this should be of type string, and then let's call it user str, or any name of your choice. And this is how your set str function looks like. And inside this set str, what you need to do is just have to do str equals, uh, just assign this user str in here inside this str function, str variable. So that is it. So here is just another example I just illustrated. If the variable, the private variable, is of type string, and if the name is str, so this is how you can create a getter method for that str variable and a setter method for the string variable. So this way basically you can create any number of private variable inside a class, and write a separate getter method and a setter method for each of those variables.